Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. You will need just a few basic tools: a new engine air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and perhaps a 5.5mm socket with a ratchet. Having a pair of gloves is also a good idea to keep your hands clean during the process. First, open your Honda Civic's hood and prop it up securely. Look for the engine air filter housing, which is typically a rectangular black plastic box located on the driver's side of the engine bay, often in front of the battery. This housing is usually secured by 2 to 4 metal clips or sometimes screws. Carefully unclip or unscrew these fasteners, then gently lift the cover. Be mindful of any electrical components or wires connected to the cover. Once the airbox cover is open, you will see the old engine air filter inside. Simply lift it straight out. Take a moment to observe how dirty or clogged it might be. Before installing the new filter, it is a good practice to clean out any accumulated dust, leaves, or debris from the bottom of the air filter housing using a damp cloth or a small vacuum. Now, carefully place your new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is correctly oriented. With the new filter in place, carefully lower the airbox cover, ensuring any tabs align with their corresponding slots. Press down firmly and re-engage all the clips or tighten the screws until the housing is securely sealed. A new, clean engine air filter allows your engine to breathe better, leading to improved performance, better fuel economy, and extended engine life. Remember to check and replace your filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.